A fresh storm has erupted around Peter Mandelson, the former UK cabinet minister and ex-Labour strategist, after explosive new claims surfaced about a controversial image linked to the Jeffrey Epstein Files. The image, which shows Mandelson standing in his underwear inside what appears to be a private residence, has once again gone viral. But this time, a woman believed to be in the photograph has broken her silence, according to reports by the Daily Mail. The woman, described as a former Russian model whose identity was redacted in official documents, claims the photograph was likely taken by Epstein himself. Speaking to the Daily Mail, she recalled that the moment took place around 2010 inside Epstein's New York townhouse, specifically in a room she referred to as the library. She alleged that Epstein was known for taking provocative photos of guests, often capturing them in unflattering or compromising situations. In the image, Peter Mandelson is seen wearing a black t-shirt and white underwear, appearing to show the woman something. While the exact context remains unclear, the woman suggested it may have been a casual moment, possibly involving a gadget or even linked to a massage session, noting that a masseuse frequently visited the residence. However, she emphasized that Epstein often orchestrated such situations, adding a more unsettling layer to the photograph's backstory, as per Daily Mail reporting. Peter Mandelson himself has distanced from the incident, previously stating he has no recollection of where the image was taken, who the woman was, or even the circumstances surrounding it. His spokesperson has maintained that he deeply regrets ever associating with Epstein, claiming he was misled by the financier's lies, a stance Mandelson reiterated earlier this year. But the woman's account paints a far darker picture of life inside Epstein's inner circle. She claims she lived in his New York home for a period and alleged that Epstein controlled many aspects of her life. She also described Peter Mandelson's behavior as arrogant, even calling him a freeloader who moved between Epstein's properties and yachts, claims that add to the growing controversy. In a further twist, the woman alleged she encountered disgraced Prince Andrew during a visit to Epstein's residence in December 2010, a claim that once again drags the British royal into the broader Epstein scandal narrative, which has continued to haunt high-profile figures across the globe. The renewed attention comes at a difficult time for Peter Mandelson, who has already faced significant fallout over his past links to Epstein. He stepped down from public roles and resigned from the House of Lords earlier this year, while reports also note he was recently arrested on suspicion of misconduct in public office, further intensifying scrutiny around his past associations. As the Epstein Files continue to unravel, this latest revelation underscores how the scandal refuses to fade. With new voices coming forward and old images resurfacing, the pressure is once again mounting on those who were once part of Epstein's powerful network, raising questions that remain far from answered.